Do you have any faulty home and office appliances? Do you need the best installation or repair plug for your home gadgets? Then we are here for you. At MDTECH, we specialize in appliances including hood, cooktop, stove, single oven, double oven, range, microwave, combo microwave oven, refrigerator, ice maker, freezer, washing machine washer, dryer, stackable washer and dryer, wine cooler, AC repair, garbage disposal, fixtures, faucets repair, and installation services. What's more, we'll also help with garbage disposal, and will surely leave your home looking new. Trust our services, as we will use earth-friendly repair products that are safe for you. Professional quality, guaranteed results. With us, you'll no longer be stuck to a dysfunctional oven due to poor installation. We've got you covered. At MDTECH, no job is ever done until you're 100% satisfied. We cover Orange County, LA County, California, and suburbs area. Contact us right away and await excellent services from our technicians.